Hi guys, I wanted to do a model kit stash ad that I just got. This is one of the cars that I've loved the most out of NASCAR was the number 11 and number 12. You can do it either way. Darrell Waltrip's 11 car or Neil Bonnet's number 20 or number 12 car. Either way, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up doing it with the Neil Bonnet scheme. I may get another one later and do the 11, but man, JR Salvinos guys just rock with all the cars they got. I mean, man, these old kits, you know, the old monogram kits and stuff like that, they got the molds and freshen them up and making them really nice. And this is definitely one I can't wait to build. And I love that part right there. Made in the USA. Very, very cool. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. And then with the Kit of the Month deal that Salvinos has, they always include extra decals. So let's see what we got here. I've got some oh wow, Martin Truex Jr. Bass Pro Shop decals. Well, that's really cool. I don't have any Toyota kits yet, but that's cool. And speaking of Darrell Waltrip, it's number 11 Mountain Dew. Pretty sure it was a Waltrip. Yeah, Waltrip. Nice. And then there are 2023 Camry decals. Nice. And then I had another one that fell down. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wow. The Salvinos decal this month looks really cool. That is awesome. So, yeah, going to be a fun one to do here. Definitely going to be getting started on this one fairly soon. Just because I was a big Neil Bonnet fan, and guys still remember that day. Turning on ESPN and seeing the news that he had passed away down at Daytona. Unreal. But anyhow, so yeah, guys, so that's what I got for a new stash ad. And I'm going to get building on this one here pretty quick, actually, because I just want to get it built. It's just too cool of a car. So, well, hey, guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more cool stuff coming. Starting to warm up outside, so going to start getting a bit more things happening there, and we'll go from there. And the box that came in, of course, the little one has to be sitting in the box, so little turkey. But all right, guys, take care. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.